Today I am going to show you Canon LBP 6230DN printer paper not feeding issue. See this error: out of paper or paper could not be feed. Show your desktop screen, then take a print. Printer is warming but can't paper pick up because your paper pickup roller is not working properly. Just open front cover and remove your printer cartridge, and then check your paper pickup roller and see your paper pickup roller is not rotating. Then you open your back cover and this side lock. Okay, just open it. Okay, this side one screw, open this screw, and this side open this side cover. This is your printer relay, paper pickup relay. Just press it. This is release. Then take a printout. Your printer is come. Your printer is fine.